Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Here are my tips to avoid soggy zucchini noodles. Don't overcook the noodles, otherwise, they'll get soggy. After spiralizing your zucchini noodles, sprinkle with a bit of salt and let them sit in a colander for 10 minutes. Get rid of the seedy noodles. Roast your tomatoes long enough to remove the moisture. The 24th of March 2016.
Take our lead.
It's quite simple to boil a pot of water, toss in your zucchini noodles and cook for 1 minute. It's similar to cooking frozen veggies on the stovetop. And once your noodles have cooked, drain the noodles in a colander and serve. If you'd like them super dry, blot them with a paper towel before serving. 30 December 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
One way to combat excess water is to salt your zucchini noodles before you use them. Lightly salt your zoodles with kosher salt, nothing fancy or too fine, and leave them for 10 to 15 minutes, sitting in a thin layer, not in a dense pile, between some paper towels, like a paper towel zucchini sandwich. 27 April 2018.
Take our lead.
All you need is 30 seconds in the pan, and you can instantly smell the wonderful savory aromas. The zoodles are then added to the skillet and cooked over medium heat, and sautéed until tender. Just like pasta, the zucchini noodles should be al dente. Take a bite to check for doneness. 16 May 2018.
Take our lead.
Sautéed zoodles recipe. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Add 2 teaspoons of oil, olive or coconut, or a pat of unsalted butter. Toss in the zoodles, spiralized from 1 zucchini, salt to taste, and sauté for several minutes, turning with tongs until the color of the zoodles deepens and they become soft. 9 April 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.